you all safe with the good health. With you, Ms. Dina Badri, science teacher for grade 8. Today we will start new lesson 1, electromagnetic spectrum. Nature of light. Light waves are different from other kind of wave. When an electric charged particle vibrates, its field also vibrates, producing an electromagnetic wave. So, the electromagnetic wave results from the movement of the particle or charged particle vibration, so which make the field also vibrate to produce the electromagnetic wave. Light waves are vibrating electric and magnetic fields that transfer energy through the space. Did you see? EM waves travels perpendicular to both electric and magnetic field. Did you see here? This is an electric field in this direction and this magnetic field in this direction, and the electromagnetic wave move perpendicular to the electric field and perpendicular to the magnetic field. Did you see? It moves perpendicular to both electric and magnetic field. We have another meaning, radiation. Radiation is an energy that has been transmitted by waves or particles. This transfer of energy is called EM radiation. So the radiation is the energy that has been transmitted by the waves of particle. Okay, so we call it EM or electromagnetic radiation. All electromagnetic waves move at the same speed in a vacuum with the speed of light. Okay, this unit talking about the light, so we didn't talk about the sound, we talk about the light. So electromagnetic wave move at the same speed in a vacuum with the speed like the speed of light. Electromagnetic waves can travel through many materials. Different wavelengths of light are perceived by our eyes as a different color. White light is what we perceive when we see all the wavelengths of the light at once in equal proportions. Okay, so the white light is what we perceive when we see all the wavelengths of the light at once in equal proportions. Okay, so when the wavelengths difference, so our eyes take these different wavelengths with a different color. White light is what we perceive when we see all the wavelengths of the light at once in equal proportions. Our eyes only register 3 colors of light: red, green, and blue. All other colors we see are a mixture of these colors. Okay, so what the color our eyes can detect: pure red, green, and blue. Any other color, it will be a mixing from this color, from red, green, and blue. What are the parts of EM wave? Did you see here? We have the range of the frequencies that electromagnetic wave can have is called electromagnetic spectrum. So, what is the electromagnetic spectrum? It is the range of the frequencies that EM wave can have. We have infrared, ultraviolet. Infrared lights has slightly longer wavelengths than red lights has. So the infrared has long wavelengths. Ultraviolet has short wavelengths than violet light. Okay, so we have infrared, ultraviolet. Infrared light has slightly long wavelengths, more than the red light, but the ultraviolet has shorter wavelengths than the violet light. Okay, that's all today. So today we talked about electromagnetic wave and how the electromagnetic wave move comparing with the electric according to the electric and magnetic field, and the meaning of the radiation, and we talked about different wavelengths and what are the main color we can see: red, green, and blue. And the meaning of the electromagnetic spectrum, it is the range of the frequencies and wavelengths. We called it electromagnetic spectrum, and the difference between infrared light and ultraviolet light. That's all today. Hope you all understand. Next time, inshallah, we will complete our lesson. Goodbye.